Hello, I'm Peter and welcome to our presentation. I'm really excited to present you our significant improvements in our solution, Power Path. Let's dive now directly in solution to present you our new improvements. If we speak about the standards, I want to go to Power Path settings to show you that we support Swedish, Spanish, Slovenian, Serbian, Romanian, Norwegian, Italian, German, Croatian, and also standards for North Macedonia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Montenegro. If your country is not yet listed here, please use General Standard. In my case, I will select Italian. This dialog box is dependent of required calculations for selected standards. When I press OK, this weather condition will be applied for this power line based on Italian standards. And go to Properties, and as you can see here, now is also added conductor length. Once, if I repeat what I already mentioned, since the previous version, you have a full control over your property set. And for example, that is already predefined property set for conductor, but you can to add for all elements or edit. Also, it is very important because it is now under the control of the user. You can to see actually BIM attributes or property set that I add on my BIM model for catenaries. Of course, if you want to verify our IFC record, it is very simple. Upload IFC format, or better to say IFC record, and check validation. If I go again, for example, for supports and select another one, for example, this one, go to preview, and as you can see, it is very important if you're working with the large surface, and also if you want to reduce the size of DWG, for example, if you're working with the point cloud or some similar data. See that we now support not just shapefile as a shapefile, we also support KMZ and KML file and also Esri geodatabase. And it will be automatically opened in Google Earth. Okay, let's maybe change to another view. And as you can see, it is import. Let's go, for example, here. Actually, of course, if we speak about the 3D design, you can very simple just select your support and move on position you want to have your supports. Of course, all elements are automatically, or better to say dynamically, connected. Also, if I'm going here on edit property and edit BIM properties, you will see that all of the property sets are already defined, but user have full control for editing. Actually, if you want to add your custom attributes for BIM, you can edit it. If you want to change some of that, you can to change it. Also, what we add, where you can to find the form for requesting a 30-day free trial, just fill the form and